Wowee.
Is that how you drive it?
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah, so.
Oh.
Well, that's it. Because you want to see what's the idea.
Wowee.
So the roof's got to come off to change that. So well, get rid of that. Well, depends how that.
Tony, have you seen this hole here? Crikey, I can see my whole shoe underneath it.
Probably end up walking. I wonder if it was white before, you know. Been painted brown.
Well, some of them
No, it
do
is,
come
yeah.
down to here with white.
Well, if you put in 84 Defender,
It does.
the white goes from here upwards. Does it? Yeah.
And the red is this as well.
Just the bottom.
This is red on them.
So yeah, roof off that, lining out, have a look, roof off it. And these pillars. That one.
This one. Yeah, look at that, Jack.
Whoa!
Nice holes, isn't there?
Yeah.
For this, they call it the front seat box. There's
Yeah.
some bolts from here.
Bolts on, right?
Comes out, but you do a full kit. Well,
See what
I
you
don't
can
know.
salvage and what-
Well, I mean, that's knackered. I don't know about that side. I have to have a look.
Yeah.
See what they say. I mean, that's footwell. They do footwell repairs, but the trouble is here. It's going again, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, we might as well put a bulkhead in it. If it doesn't go this year, it'll go in 3 years' time. So
Yeah, that's true.
that might be okay. Just respray that.
Yeah.
Hinges separates there. So I mean, they're not cheap bulkheads, but it's a lot of work to fit one bit. A huge amount of work. So, you know, after once we've got it down to the chassis, we just look at that out. But the engine.
Gearbox still.
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to say. You've driven it, but yeah. But no, we're not going to use that. We're just going to.
What's that supposed to be? Attached to
You
the
see-
seat?
Falls forward.
Oh my god.
It's just snapped off. Why? You know, this is minimal. It's coming out. See, that's not good, is it? But a complete new one.
Right.
Seal change everything.
Seal. Yeah, this will come out.
New
So
footwells.
come out.
Oh no.
Which they do. They do a section goes up in here. So we get that roof and fit.
It might not be rain, you know. It's not too bad, is it? That's two separate ones, yeah.
That's like a. Oh, there's a.
Some wires in there, I think. God, it's mouldy, isn't it? No thanks.
Botrytis. Yeah. Wow.
Oh my god, triggered.
It will be.
That's probably why this is black.
Yeah,
But I mean, the less condensations
run.
collected there. But if that's leaked in at all,
That is rubber seal.
that won't do it.
Well, it looks quite perished anyway.
Bloody white behind there.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know they did it.
I didn't realise.
don't dent the roof on you.
I know, that's it.
There you go. Sheared it off instead of.
Well, it's not looking bad.
Oh, that's all right, really, isn't it? But you see, what you're looking for is a water stain. Oh. Tricks, mate.
What?
Twits.
No. God, that's old.
Yeah, if you're looking, if it's leaking in,
You see.
you know, here, any of these.
Well, I
you
wondered
see a
what's going on
stain.
here.
Wow.
Is that from, it could be from cow.
Could be condensation, though, couldn't it? You got water here, haven't you? And it's
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
See what wise? I'm hoping it is really.
Just, yeah.
But you see, I think that roof will come off here and leave this galvanised piece. See, that bolts to it there. That'll bolt to it there somewhere. So I really want the windows out. Drill round, get that out of the way. Whether they do a loom, a new loom, because it's kind of,
It's not out of this.
it's very stiff and it runs along the
You'll
chassis.
have a file.
Well, that's what I mean. You don't want to put it all back together and then chasing electrical faults.
The 84 one's well cool.
The 84 ones
It's
got
like
a
a,
square in the middle and 4.
yeah, it's like 4 legs coming out.
So what has changed that? Slightly later on, you said you don't want drum brakes. You know, it will just go a bit this. So, it's what we call a sales group. So, well, I mean, I don't know, there's a firm in Chelford that do the calipers over on Land Rover. Set of bushes in it, springs and shocks.
Bloody hell. New chassis, new shocks, new springs, new turret. Now that I know what it's called.
That's a turret.
That's a turret.
Knacker.
Is it supposed to be soft or hard?
What?
This, what material is that? Is
Steel, yeah.
it? Is
It's
it?
just rotten.
Bloody hell, it looks like rubber.
Yeah. So,
New, yeah, chassis, same alloys.
well, the steel is, but yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
I mean,
Can you
that's
keep this bit? This bulk? No.
No.
Nope.
Well, look.
Oh yeah.
It's knackered. Holes in it all the way.
And it's all the way down here too.
Plus, this has gone on the other side. That's.
Oh, so that's your A-frame, isn't it? A-post.
Yep.
And your B and C, were they also not
No.
in the best of condition? Roof's all right. And
Yep. Oh, that's okay. That,
tub, kind of.
That's your C post. That's a repair. That top bit's not bad, but see, I wonder if it joins there.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it's had one.
Oh yeah.
It's gone again. You see, this is only a small aluminium plate. That's just a big aluminium plate.
Yeah.
What's underneath it?
That's yeah.
So we'll get that.
You'll get that off at some point. Yeah. Cool.
I mean, the back axle can come off it up.
What's your back door looking like? Was that bad or?
Yeah.
Fuck no, it's all come out on the
That'd be an
floor.
exception. Yeah, but you see, they do a repair kit for that. So you peel this skin back.
It'll just be like the bottom half,
that
won't
bit's-
it?
bit's okay then.
The skin looks alright.
Get that off.
The thing is, you don't want
Get
it
that
doing
off.
it again, though, do you?
Well, no.
Is it inevitable?
But you can't get to the chassis easily or anything.
Oh no, that's true.
No, I
At
don't
least
mind.
a door. That's...
Take a door off in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Repair it, put it back.
Can't take your
Easy.
engine bay out there.
No. That's got to be right. Doors are £1,000 a piece
Yeah,
for a pucker one built up.
that's quite a lot.
Now, whether we say, well, okay, skins that, do that, plus time,
It might.
we might have to go for push buttons
Oh, it's such a shame, though.
and wind ups.
Oh, but I love it. It's the character of it, though, isn't it?
Wow.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see about the runners for the windows.
You see, this window kit's, doesn't price them up, but it's the whole, it's the glass. It does come in two pieces. And there's a big rubber grommet goes around, a big rubber seal goes around and
Yeah.
it covers these rivets.
Ah, right.
Covers them, which protect them a little bit, but yeah, but look at this. I don't know whether you can buy them. Look at,
Yeah,
you
that's...
can't get them of no choice. There's only two. I mean, that's just held in with some
Yeah.
rubber. The back doors are the same. Basically, if you get the hinges off that, take that off, good old sand down, repair,
Yeah.
red paint. You decide are we doing that white or coloured?
Halfway up, I don't know. It's a question.